Hey, I'm Malcolm Jamal Warner. I will ring for the little boys and little girls whose brown skin is made to make them feel less than. I will ring for the young men who cling to unforgiving streets that won't ever love them back no matter how tough they act. For the young women trapped into believing they need to love material stuff because loving themselves is not enough. I will ring for those who have rung before us and gave their lives so that you and me can be free. This is why I will ring the bell. Why will you? This February, take the challenge and ring the First Baptist Church bell in Williamsburg. For more information, log on to letfreedomringchallenge.org and reserve your spot. Come and be a part of history.